ADDIE, it's a model. It's one of those things where all models are wrong, some models are useful, right? And so the idea that we need to follow something step by step, that's not necessarily what this is. But when we talk about ADDIE, what we're talking about are five different elements to instructional design. And so that first element is the analyze phase. So what's the problem and what's the solution that we're going to try to find? Design is creating a sketch or an outline of that solution. And then we get to the develop phase, which is the almost learner ready materials. And so when we talk about develop, we're talking about getting ready to put things that are just about ready to be put in front of the learners, but we still have some flexibility to make some changes. Implement is pushing stuff out in front of the learners, bringing the solution to the learners. And finally, the last E in ADDIE is how effective was that solution? This is one of the areas where people find fault in the ADDIE model because when you take a look at it, it looks like it's sequential. The idea with evaluate and how effective was the solution, even though that falls at the end of the acronym and at the end of this model, it's not something that you should wait to think about until the very end, right? We should be thinking about evaluation and kind of what success means from the beginning, from that analysis. And so I kind of see ADDIEs as kind of a circle or some almost like a squiggle because you will be kind of moving back and forth depending on how your project runs.